Okay, first in English. Yeah, first in English. Yeah.
Please don't do it.
Okay, let's do once in English. Yeah, okay.
It's not fair. Everyone is here.
First in English.
Then just wanted to know your reaction to what has prompted you for this decision. ये मैं already कर दिया सर वहाँ पे.
Shromani Akali Dal represents people of Punjab. We have a very large legacy. We've always fought for the farmers. Our leadership, led by Sardar Prakash Singh Badal, has even spent 16 years in jail, after independent jail, to fight for the rights of farmers and the poor. These bills, the three ordinances introduced by the present government in the cabinet first time, our party representative Harsimrat Kaur Badal, who was a minister, during the cabinet meeting, she put her reservations that before passing these ordinances, all the stakeholders' view should be taken, farmers should be consulted, their view should be taken.
Even because the ministerial colleague, she also.
She even gave a note, sent a written note from her ministry that farmers should be consulted, state should be consulted, all the stakeholders should be consulted, because if people whom the bill is for are not happy with it, what is the point of getting a bill? Last 2 months after the ordinance, we tried to meet every section of people in Punjab. We met all the Kisan unions, their leadership. We met farmers from the villages. We met every cross section. Whatever their views were, we took those views to the government. We met the government, Tomar Sahab Mantri, we met them. Whatever they said, we can do this, we should take it back, because being a lie, it was our duty.
And you're the oldest lie. You're the oldest lie.
We are the oldest lie. But finally, we told them that if these bills come in the present form, without taking into the issues raised by the farmers, without finding a solution for them, you bring it to the present form, we will oppose it. So as they got the bill without bringing any changes, our party opposed it. And since people of Punjab, this bill will affect the people of Punjab, especially the farmers, farm labourers, artiyas and everyone, our party representative cannot stay in the government.
Sir, Captain Amrinder Singh has basically said that isn't it too late, too little that she's resigned after the decision in the cabinet also?
I want to ask Mr. Captain Amrinder Singh. This is the Congress manifesto of 2019, where Congress will deliver Rahul Gandhi's promise. Where in this manifesto, all the three ordinances is part of the manifesto, and the Congress president said we will implement it. Here is the manifesto of Captain Amrinder Singh, where he promised to implement privatization of mandis and everything. And Captain Amrinder Singh has not fulfilled a single promise of the manifesto except this, where in Punjab, you'll be surprised, these private mandi act which the government of India is raising has already been passed in the Punjab Assembly in 2017. Captain Amrinder Singh has no right to